Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a top bar in WordPress site. So for this you have to simply go to the start button, then simply type in Chrome or the preferable browser that you would like to use. And once in the browser you have to simply type in www.wordpress.com, then simply click on enter. After that it will simply take you to this site. From here you have to just simply put in your login credentials and it will simply take you to this site. From here what you need to do is just simply click on the edit side option here in the right hand side of quick links, and it will take couple of seconds to get loaded. Here you can see it is taking couple of seconds to get loaded. Once you are here, what you need to do is just simply click on the navigation icon here, and once you click on the navigation icon, then choose the about section here, then just simply click on the website here, and then just simply click on the plus icon. Let's say I'd like to add one more, and then you have to just simply type in, let's say I'd like to go for the payment option, and here you can see you have already added a new tab. Now if we just go back to the tab again, and here we'll get the option of payment option. Here you can see you're already seeing it, and here you can see you have already got the website. So it is as simple as that, guys. Thank you very much for watching this video.